friends, TUXX here. I want to talk a little bit about hotels and this credit card right here, the Amex Aspire card from Hilton. And I recently had this experience where I booked a normal room, a standard room, and they actually gave me this suite for the same price. I will have a link for Amex right below too, by the way. But it's just a great credit card. I highly recommend it. You get so many points. At one point, it's like 14 times points for Hilton, and there's all sorts of great benefits, which I'm not going to include here, but I just want to show off this room. So if you're thinking, ooh, is it really worth it to get the Hilton Aspire card? Yes, it totally is. This is just one example. This is a situation of staying in downtown Miami and booked a standard room for Miami City Safari Pokemon Go, and basically, it's gonna be about $400 or $500 either way. And so we just booked a normal room and we got this suite, which is really nice. Fantastic view, as you can see right here. City was looking beautiful. Sorry for the shaky cam. I'm just kind of walking around, checking it out, but beautiful, beautiful view, and just, a really great room too. There's so much spaciousness. A normal hotel room, you got the bathroom, you have like a little area to sit down maybe or something. Here it's like a full-size bedroom, super comfy bed, super comfy pillows. Going down, there's a whole hallway. Like, this feels like immense room, really great suite. Little pre-bathroom room here in the bathroom. They got a cool stylized tub. Very, very cool. That's not all. There's a whole shower. You got the toilets over here. Everything's all set for you. Nice little stand-up shower in glass. I mean, they really did a great job, and I just wanted to show this off here. Again, some people think, oh, like, do I really need like a Hilton card, or maybe I should just use some standardized credit card? But it's so worth it, guys. Actually, I have the Hilton Aspire, and also I do have the Hilton Surpass too. But this point value thing here, where I got the suite for the price of a standard room, was on the Aspire. I am Hilton Diamond, okay? So we get Hilton stays all the time. We have a stay coming up in Anaheim for free. That was a $2,800 stay, completely for free for BlizzCon. We're going to Chicago later this year for Pokemon Go Fest. That was paid for free for everything except for one night, and just really, really good. You can't beat the deals. It can really take the bite out of an expensive stay, and turn it into something which is not expensive at all. The flight is way more expensive first class than actually the room, and the rooms are fantastic. Hilton Aspire does give benefits, for Hilton purchases. It gives great deals for gas and other normal things you buy. I mean, even like Lyft, you get extra points on. I mean, there's Resi credits. There's all sorts of great things. It's really, really worth it. And, it's the type of thing where I'm so happy. It's like my favorite credit card, My favorite actual Hilton is the Anaheim one, which I'll show probably in a future video, because that's where BlizzCon is. And they have all sorts of cool BlizzCon events and things actually in the hotel itself, which is a lot of fun. Love this little extra room here for getting ready in the morning. So convenient, and again, there's 2 bathrooms. So if she's in the bathroom, or if I'm in the bathroom, there's always that extra bathroom, and to have everything, like that just laid out for you is so nice, It just is a fantastic bathroom. And even the smaller Hiltons, the smaller rooms have great bathrooms as well too. So that's one thing I really do appreciate, a good bathroom. You know what I'm saying? The price again for this is the DoubleTree by Hilton in downtown Miami, and you can see the price here is actually more for the DoubleTree than it was for the actual Hilton. Both right around the $400 to $500 range, just within a small amount of money from each other, and really just about like a block or two from each other. It is valet only though, so keep that in mind. And parking is an additional fee, but of course you are getting credits from Hilton for spending time there or whatever. So you're probably can get the money back for free anyway, so that's worth it. And you are getting 14 times points if you do have to pay, which is something to think about too. And you get free meals too, which is really great. So anyway, that's all, guys. Just wanted to show you this. Go Hilton. Link down below for you.